Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our low mileage, one owner Freelander 2. So this is our Land Rover Freelander 2. It's only covered just over 74,000 miles. It's had one owner from new. It's had 9 services, a mix of stamps and invoices, with the cam belt being replaced back in 2020. And whilst in our care, we've carried out a service, fresh MOT, full 102-point independent mechanical inspection, along with replacing the rear diff and the turbo. We've also had the alloys refurbished in gloss black, and they look really, really good. Really complement the vibrant orange colour of the paintwork. Really is a standout motor. Odd little mark here and there on the paintwork, but it's really not bad for an 07 plate. It's clearly been looked after over the years. Inside, it's all in pretty good condition. You've got electric front seats. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox, 2.2 diesel engine. Got things like Bluetooth, AM/FM radio, air conditioning's blowing up nice and cold, different driving modes, parking sensors. It's quite well equipped. Good bit of leg room in the back. Again, seats are all in really nice condition. It's got very, very big boot. Very practical. Parcel shelves in there too. All in all, a really nice tidy motor. Really good condition for the age and mileage. Nice low mileage. One owner from new. Very, very well maintained. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.